Okay, so my little this ring right here on my steering column was on there pretty tight, and I have a feeling that it's not supposed to be on there super tight. There is a spring back there, and so mine was pretty tight. But basically, all I did is I just got a couple of screwdrivers, placed one over here and one over here, and just kind of worked my way around gently, very, very gently, prying this little plate off of here. This area of the column is metal, but even with the steering wheel on there, this part shows. So don't, if it's on there super tight, just be very careful to not damage this part of the outer column. So we got that off, and while I was in there, I also got the turn signal lever removed, and I got that out using a 7mm socket. And it's just a very, very small little screw, and like I said, yeah, it is a 7mm socket, and so that's ready to come out. Or I'm sorry, this is the horn button right here. Let me get a different angle on this as well. You see this little area right there? That makes contact. You can see the brass on the back of this green plate. That makes constant contact. That little brass thing makes constant contact with this green thing, and that's your horn. That's through the whole 360-degree turn movement of this steering column. This little pin is spring-loaded, and it stays in contact, and that's how your horn works in all positions. So we got this little piece out. We also come in here, there's a little spring in here. We'll get that out of there. And that's it. Next thing that needs to come out is all the turn signal cams. Okay, there's only 3 screws holding the turn signal cam assembly into the steering column. You see 2 down here, there's one here, and one right there. Get my hand out of the way, one right there. There's also one right up here. This one, you need to turn the turn signal cam down, and then you can access that one. When it's up, or when the turn signal cam is in the neutral position, and that's in the right, or actually that'd be left turn. Now come on. Well, you get the picture. When it's in the neutral position like that, you can't access it. So engage it and then remove that screw. So we're about ready to remove all the turn signal mechanism and everything. This is the wiring for the turn signals, and it runs up, you can see it right here, and then up through the column. So to give yourself a little bit of leeway, just some room to work with, go ahead and take these 4 bolts out so that this wiring harness can slide up here, and you can pull it out a little bit here, and then access everything that's in here and in here to get the entire wiring assembly removed. Oh, and these 4 bolts here, they're 1/2 inch.